वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांना तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी लायक इट. एंड वन्स अगेन फ्रॉम आवर गार्डन spinach and that is palak, and this is red bhaji, so red spinach and green spinach, and we have got this much. Total. So I'm going to do stir fry, just stir fry with mustard oil, and these are my two boiled potato, and I will show you the recipe. Please watch. First thing, we have to wash this nicely and then chop this as per how you want, but wash this nicely. Chop this, then this I have just kept it like that only. I have not chopped because they are fine leaves. Then my potatoes are chopped, and these are garlic chives. Then we need some mustard oil. Okay, so now we'll add cumin to this mustard oil. Cumin seeds, around 1 teaspoon. And we'll add our garlic chives and the potatoes. And then mix all this, because it is stir fry and potatoes are nicely cooked. Now we'll add our spinach to this. And we'll cover this for a while till it becomes soft. We'll now open and mix this. Add salt. So we'll add salt to taste. Some basic masala, that is our turmeric powder, half teaspoon, coriander powder, half teaspoon. That's it. Now on this top we will add our red spinach also. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Now let's mix this all together, see, without water. In this now we will add 3 Kashmiri chilies. Cover and cook this till the water is nicely absorbed and the vegetable is cooked. Tasty. So this is our Goan style palak and Tambdi Bhaji stir fry. So I am adding Solams to this. Goan Solam, that is Kokum. Few Kokum petals, and without coconut, Goan veg is always incomplete. So we will add around 1 tablespoon of grated coconut. So here our vegetable is done. So I will leave it open and so that our water, everything is absorbed fully. So hope you all will enjoy this. Try this recipe and enjoy. Veg also is very tasty. Any veg dish is very tasty. And when it is homegrown, wow. So म्हणतात तुम्ही सगळ्यांगे आवडटले आणि तुम्ही करून खातले आणि भाकरे बरोबर खायात, दाव शीत बरोबर खायात, पावा बरोबर खायात. And enjoy. Thank you. देव बरे करू.
It's ready, Goan style Palak and Tambdi Bhaji stir fry. Fresh from our garden. Thank you.